Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you a very different way of making a pulao. So when you have guests over, instead of making a jeera pulao or a matar pulao or a peas pulao, you can try this dish. It's called the Thengai Paal Sadam. It's a very typical South Indian dish which has flavors that's coming out from coconut milk, a little bit of ginger, garlic, and just a spice that is really simple. It's not a biryani, but it's a pulao, and we call it the Thengai Paal Sadam. I'm going to be using Golden Harvest puni raw rice to make it. It's completely aged rice, so the pulao comes up really fluffy and nice. So without wasting any time, I'm going to show you how to make this dish. To begin making the Thengai Paal Sadam, I'm going to add in some oil in the pressure cooker, and we're going to make the sadam directly in the pressure cooker and then add a final touch towards the end. So into this oil, I'm going to add in the ginger, some garlic, the green chilies, star anise, bay leaves, and I'm going to add in the sliced onions, thinly sliced, and I'm going to saute them until the onion becomes softened a little bit. Now that the onions have softened and have slightly changed color, I'm not going to caramelize them, but I'm just going to leave it as such. I'm going to add in the roasted fennel seeds, which is the sombe. So I roasted the sombe and then pounded it coarsely. So there will be some fennel seeds, but some will be powdered a little bit. So I'm just going to add that in. I'm going to add in the rice, the puni raw rice. So I'm just going to add in about a cup of coconut milk, and then the remaining is going to be water. And then finally the salt to taste. I'm going to give this a stir and then pressure cook for about 2 to 3 whistles, simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then turn off the heat and allow the pressure to release naturally, and our Thengai Paal Sadam or the Coconut Milk Pulao would be ready. Now the last step while the pressure is releasing in my Thengai Paal Sadam is to make the roasted cashew nuts. I'm going to melt some ghee and add some cashew nuts into it and roast it on low to medium heat until it becomes golden brown. And this, by doing this, we make this very festive and perfect for serving for parties. Now that the cashews are roasted, I keep it to the side, bring in my Thengai Paal Sadam. And the rice looks perfect. It's exactly how I want. I can see all the grains standing out. It's just the right amount of water that I've added. And this is, actually an advantage of using double old rice. Now is the stage to add in the roasted cashew nuts into the rice. And then the flavoring agent, and that's the pudina. Just roughly chopped. You want some pudina leaves to be seen. I'm going to add it to the top, and this flavors the sadam really well, coconut milk pulao or the Thengai Paal Sadam. That's it. The sadam is ready to be served, and you can serve it along with some mixed vegetable kurma or an egg roast or just about any curry that you like, and make a perfect dinner out of it, or even serve it for your parties. Didn't you think this Thengai Paal Sadam was really simple to make? It's got the flavors of coconut milk, star anise, and the fennel seeds, and just a little bit of onion and garlic. Do give this recipe a try. When you do, as always, don't forget to share your feedback in the comments below, because I'll always be looking to hear back from you. So until then, until next time, happy cooking and healthy eating.